Alleviate. So today we are going to do some stretches to help you with some lower back pain. For props, you will need a towel if you want them across the mat for your knees, a strap, or if you don't have a strap, you can use a belt, the strap from your robe, or something like that. And then a chair. If you don't have a chair, you can use blocks, or if you have blocks, we are using a wall as well. Go ahead and come to your hands and your knees. If you need cushion for your knees, you're going to place the towel across the mat. Pressing your palms into the mat, knees into the mat, underneath your hips. Inhale, lift your chest, lift your chin, lift your tailbone. Exhale, press your palms into the mat, tuck your chin, but keep your hips at a neutral position, and hug baby in. Inhale up, lift your chest, lift your chin, and exhale, round. One more time, inhale, and exhale. And now we're going to take our knees a little wider. Your toes are going to touch. We're going to sit our hips back into child's pose. If this hurts your ankles or your knees, go ahead and roll up a towel, place them in your knees or underneath your ankles. Sitting your hips back and setting your hands out in front of you, bringing your chest and your forehead down to the mat. Go ahead and walk your hands over to the right. Back to center. And over to the left. Coming back to center. Inhale, coming back up. Go ahead and grab your strap. We're going to take our right leg out. Your left leg is going to be bent. Placing your foot into your thigh. Taking your strap, placing it around your ball of your feet. Grabbing your strap. Go ahead and tilt your chest over towards your feet. Keep your sit bones grounded to the mat. I want you to lengthen out of the crown of your head and then slightly bring your chest towards your leg. And inhale back up, switching to the opposite side. Strap around the ball of your foot. Grabbing your strap, tilting your chest towards your leg, ground through your sit bones, lengthen up your spine, and then tilt slightly towards your leg. And go ahead and release. You can grab your chair. If you don't have a chair, you can use the wall. All right, so we're going to take our left foot in front, right foot in back. You're going to think of a train track, so your feet are on both sides. They're not in line, they're staggered. Make sure both toes are pointed to the front. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, take your hands to your chair or the wall, and then bring your chest down. If you have blocks or anything that you can prop your hands up, you can take them on either side of your front leg and take your hands to those props. And then on your next inhale, coming back up. We're going to switch to the opposite side. You can also use a wall here, taking your hands to the wall. Both toes pointed forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bring your chest down. Inhale, coming back up, and step your feet together. One more pose, we're going to come down to our knees. If you need a little cushion across your knees, just place a blanket underneath them. Taking your knees a little bit wider, and then extending your hands out in front of you. Keeping your hips up, bring your chest down to the mat. And inhale, pressing yourself back up.